Okay.
Okay. Hi, Mom. We got your package, and we're going to open your gifts with you. Me and Carlitos and Derek. Okay. Ready? The first one. Ooh, an apron. It's the cook. I wonder where this is from. It's not a free gift from Casino, Arizona. Thank you, Mom. I think I've got scarf and hat to go with that. It's from last year. That's Derek's apron. Little socks. No.
Carl, none of that is yours.
None. It's not for you. You smell Freddie and Buster. Oh. It says Grandma's bring sunshine.
Aww.
That's cute. That's right, because Grandma lives in Arizona. That's where sunshine is. And I think I'm going to guess this is a Yankee Candle. That's my guess. And yep, should have been a doctor, because I was right. It's sage. It smells.
It smells good.
Doesn't taste good.
Did you lick it? How did you lick the candle by mistake?
Mom sent me shoes. I've been a size 7 since I was 16, so these size 8s probably won't fit. But thank you. Ooh. Socks. These are big socks. Are these Derek socks? Yeah.
It looks like that.
These are socks for you. I opened your gift.
I need colored socks too badly.
See, now you know your socks.
For my jeans, that's perfect. No, that's...
Thanks, Mom. More socks. These must be men's socks, right?
Yeah, they gotta be.
Oh, 3 more. 3 more gifts. Open. Get this. Top. Sorry, this is the boring part for you, I guess. But you get to just watch open stuff. Carlitos. Entertain. You gotta entertain. Come here. Come on. You're the entertainer while Mom is boring. Come here. Ah! Come on. Do something for the camera.
Carl. Carl. Come here.
Well, you would not be cast in any roles. That's for sure.
keep
His
one
head's
out.
in the globe.
Yes, that's cool. Huh. It's a cool
And
idea.
it plays. I don't know what it plays.
Let's open today. Oh, the field we go. Yapping all the way.
Ooh. That's cool, Mom. That'll go perfectly in my kitchen. This is the color, one of the colors in my kitchen. That will look beautiful. Thank you. And there is one more. Ugh. Oh. A document wallet includes key pocket. Includes key pocket.
Is that a key wallet?
No, it's it's for your insurance,
Oh, nice. Your
your
passport and
registration,
stuff.
your insurance, and
That's a
extra.
good gift idea.
Yeah, Mom's good with those. She's excellent. Thank you, Mom. Merry Christmas. I love you. I miss you. You will be getting your presents this week, and I wish you were with us. Okay. Is there anything else you have to say?
Bye, Lois. Thank you very much. That was fun.
Carl. Carl.
He's hiding behind
Say goodbye to
Santa.
your grandma. Come here. Come here. Come here.
He is very obedient.
Come here.
Carl.